Guys, so I got a video of all the bottom floor fans. So now I'm gonna record a video of the top floor fans. So as you remember, the two tower fans, that one heater, and then that AC thing. That was the baseboard heater. Anyways, we're upstairs now. I'll do other tower fans later, but now there's ceiling fans up here, which I'd like to record. So that was the baseboard heater again. Why does it keep turning on and off? This is thermostats. There's a whole bunch of those. I might just record those later. Anyways, we have this Westinghouse fan here. Looks like a I don't know what that was. It looks like a 60. It looks like a 60-inch fan. And you have the little wall control here. It is the model GWTR002A is the remote model. Maybe you guys could figure out what fan it is. I don't know. It looks like a pretty modern fan. So I have the switch on right now. Let's do the light. Yep. You know what? I'm gonna set this somewhere because this is inconvenient. Okay, well, where am I gonna set this? Set it. I'm gonna set it right now. Oh, where am I gonna set it? I don't know. This candle? No. Alright, I'm just gonna... Alright guys, I can't do a better angle, but this will do for now. Okay. Anyways. So here we have it. This does have quite of a 60 cycle hum. They're gonna hear that. Let me just be quiet. Mama, don't talk, okay? Alright. You might be able to hear it. This has low, medium, and high. God. Why does this baseboard heater keep turning on and off? Still doing it. Anyways, low. So it's not a DC fan. The baseboard heater again. It doesn't really have that hum on low. It's pretty quiet. Alright, I think we're up to speed. It's decent. I mean, it's not an aesthetic low, but, you know. Oh my God, what is wrong with these baseboard heaters? They just keep... When will you stop talking? This baseboard heater won't stop talking. Anyways, medium low. Okay, so I think we're about up to speed. I'm gonna do medium low. Yeah, I think I got it. You can hear the hum a little. That was the baseboard heater. These two baseboard heaters just keep turning on and off. Anyways, good. I think they're running in reverse. I don't know if there's a way to reverse this. Well, let me see if there's a way to dim the light. No. It's on and off. Okay. Medium. Yep, got it. Now I can hear the hum a little. It's getting faster. This is a 60-inch fan, so don't expect it to get crazy fast. Okay. I wish there was a medium high, but I don't know. It's just inconsistent. Anyways. Wait another 30 more seconds because this is a big fan. It's going to take a few seconds to spin up to full power. This is the first of 3 ceiling fans here. So yeah, they're all different. Anyways, alright, we're gonna go to high now. You will really, that's a 60 cycle hum from the baseboard. the baseboard. Alright, high speed. Oof. Nothing.
Did you make glass in here?
No. Okay, anyways. High. There. Ooh, that's pretty fast. Oh, it's starting to blow stuff. And alright, I think we're at high speed. Pretty fast for a 60-inch. And off. This is very dirty, so I don't think the spin down will be that long because of all the dirt slowing it down. Look, it's already slow. All right. Obviously, the light still works. I'm gonna shut it off. This does have a switch. Yes, it does go up to that dim. And here, guys, is without the lights. I think I prefer that look. Alright, so that's a Westinghouse fan. Hope you enjoyed. I hope to see you in the next one. Before we go, spin up to high. Spin down. Alright. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.